Welcome to the Royal Botanic Gardens in Melbourne, Australia. This expansive 38-hectare oasis lies in the heart of the city, drawing nature lovers, garden enthusiasts, and those seeking tranquility. As the clock nears 7 p.m, the gardens are a symphony of nature with birds returning to their nests and a chorus of nocturnal animals. Floral splendour. Visitors to the Royal Botanic Gardens are greeted by the fragrant aroma of roses, peonies and azaleas, their petals unfurling like delicate whispers. Chrysanthemums bathed in sunlight stand tall, while rock roses cascade like silken threads. These blooms waltz in a majestic harmony, creating an unforgettable display of natural beauty. Statues and sculptures. Interspersed among the greenery are statues that reflect the garden's rich history, many of which were gifted or commissioned in the 19th and early 20th centuries. Notable works include Pierre-Auguste Renoir's Parisienne and Charles Francis Summer's Oceanids. These sculptures not only enhance the garden's aesthetics, but also connect visitors to a bygone era, adding a layer of cultural significance. Shrine of Remembrance. More than a mere landmark, this solemn edifice stands as a tribute to Australia's fallen heroes, offering panoramic views of the city and beyond. Avian Symphony. With over 120 species of birds recorded, the gardens are a haven for birdwatchers. As visitors meander through the paths, they are serenaded by the cheerful chirping of crimson rosellas and the soft, mournful coos of sulphur-crested cockatoos. The bright staccato calls of eastern rosellas add a playful touch to the avian chorus. In the woodlands, golden whistlers echo their melodic trills through the foliage, completing the garden's natural symphony. Majestic trees and rhododendrons. Among the garden's botanical wonders are towering eucalyptus, majestic oak, and elegant elm trees, with the Moreton Bay fig taking centre stage with its expansive canopy. Weeping willows, golden elms and silver birches add to the picturesque landscape, creating a breathtaking tapestry of textures, colours and shapes. The gardens also boast over 165 species of rhododendrons, showcasing vibrant blooms in hues of pink, purple and white. These delicate, funnel-shaped flowers cluster together, creating stunning displays that draw visitors to marvel at their beauty. As seasons change, the rhododendron's glossy leaves provide a striking backdrop for the vibrant flowers, making them a highlight of the gardens. Seasonal transformations. The Royal Botanic Gardens lakes transform with the seasons, offering a kaleidoscope of colours and textures. Spring. Vibrant blooms surround the lakes, casting hues across the water. Summer. Sunshine sparkles on the lake's surface, creating a dazzling display. Autumn. A soft, golden glow as leaves turn and drift onto the water. Winter. Misty mornings add a mystical quality to the landscape. Over 120 bird species, including swans, ducks and waterfowl, call these lakes home. A picturesque wooden bridge spans one lake, offering scenic views and photo opportunities. Tranquil water features create soothing background hums, enhancing the overall ambience. Visitor experience. With over 8,500 plant species, the Royal Botanic Gardens Melbourne provides a diverse and lush landscape for visitors to explore. Winding paths lead to hidden treasures, inviting visitors to discover breathtaking views, secluded spots and rich biodiversity. The garden's serene environment offers a perfect escape for those seeking peace and tranquility. In summary, the Royal Botanic Gardens Melbourne offers a rich tapestry of flora, fauna and history. From iconic landmarks to serene lakes, vibrant flowers to majestic trees, every corner of the gardens invites exploration and wonder. It's a perfect escape into nature's embrace, right in the heart of Melbourne. Serene lakes and water features. The Royal Botanic Gardens feature several serene lakes, including the ornamental lake and Guilfoyle's volcano water feature. These tranquil bodies of water provide peaceful spots within the gardens, inviting visitors to pause and reflect. Each lake is fringed with majestic trees such as eucalyptus, oak and elm, their reflections creating a picturesque scene. Welcome to the magical Christmas Carnival at Alexandre Gardens in Melbourne, Australia. As the sun sets and the festive lights illuminate the night sky, the front side of the Royal Botanic Gardens transforms into a bustling wonderland. On December 22nd, 2024, during the Christmas break, a temporary amusement park springs to life, captivating children, youths, and visitors of all ages. A symphony of entertainment. This ride offers breathtaking views of the carnival below. 4-hour Carnival ride is a must-try. Visitors, enthusiasts and children line up, tickets in hand, eager to experience the excitement. As the ride swings and spins, the air is filled with laughter and cheers, making it a standout attraction. The Sky Flyer. And then there's the majestic Sky Flyer. This ride takes adventure seekers high into the air, offering a bird's eye view of the dazzling carnival below. The feeling of soaring through the sky with the festive lights shimmering beneath is nothing short of magical. It's a favorite among many, capturing the essence of the carnival's enchantment.